Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Consumer Shorthand classes. This is 80 words per minute speed of Andhra Pradesh, and this speed is pertaining to the examination conducted in the month of January 1996. Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Today I have come to meet you all and say a few words about education. This is a subject in which I am very much interested. In our country, we would like to provide free and compulsory education to all our children. It is very unfortunate that even after such a long period after getting independence, we are not able to provide education to a large number of our children. From time to time, the Planning Commission has been advising the state governments and the central government to increase the number of schools in the rural areas. In the light of that, number of schools are being opened in the rural areas. I very much appreciate the steps taken. But strictly speaking, we are not able to get the maximum results for the money that is being spent. Each one of us must admit this. I feel that it is because of one simple and fundamental reason. We have no proper system for rural primary education. I hope the education department would take some steps and do something worthwhile in this respect. We have been talking of establishing colleges and universities in the rural areas. But what is the position of primary education in the rural areas? Primary education in the rural areas has been completely neglected. As you know, I have had a big hand in the administration for a long time. At that time, we have before us this problem of rural education. We had the problem of lack of funds even during those days. However, we had made a successful beginning in the field of rural education. With the help of educated youth, we could open a school in each village. These schools were later called single teacher schools. I am afraid they are all in a bad shape today because of one problem or the other. I call upon the government to examine this question in greater detail and give better shape to it. In this process, besides educating the people, we will also be providing employment to the educated unemployed. I hope the education department would take the initiative and try to open many more such schools. After gaining independence, we have adopted the parliamentary form of government. We claim ourselves to be the biggest democratic country in the world. As you are well aware, everyone have the right to vote. Dear sir, we are in receipt of your letter addressed to our managing director. The information furnished by you in your letter has really attracted the attention of all the people in our company. In fact, our managing director spoke very high of your people in the research department who have been putting in a great deal of effort every day. Their work is something which has no parallel, and they deserve to be congratulated for their efforts. As you are aware, we are in the field of marketing for the last so many years and have established a great deal of reputation. We have very skilled and capable people to take care of each and every aspect of marketing of the products taken up by company. We would like to bring to your notice that we have our offices in all the states of the country. We have been thinking of stepping into the export market also. Yours faithfully, that's all.